everyone, we'll start off by taking a container and then draw on the shape of a butterfly. Using your blade, cut out these heart shapes that are in the middle and then continue to do so. Cut out these petal-like shapes on the inside as well. Now, as you can see, we have also made these little slits at the top. Make sure that you go along the line as you progress with this design. Now, this is what you should be left with. Next, start off by taking a container, draw these dotted lines in the front, and in the handle portion of it, make that into the head, add the eyes, and then add the beak right in front of it. Once again, at the top of this, draw the rest of the body, and connect this to the lower base portion of this. Add another bird's head on the other side of it, and then make it look like it is bending over backwards. Connect each of these, begin to color it in, and then once you're done with this, take out a blade and then cut it out according to the lines that you have created. Next, we'll start off by taking a container. Use this marker in order to make these markings on it as such. As you can see, we have made this little wing and then afterwards connect it to the rest of it on either side. Do this at the base, add these lines in the front, and then afterwards add an eye right behind the handle. Now, using your blade, begin to cut it out according to this. Do this all the way, and then afterwards, once you're done, remove the rest of it from it. Now, finally, it should begin to look like this. It should look like a little elephant once you're done with it all. This will be the final look. Add a plant into it. Next, take a container, draw the shape of this cat and then add a circular shape all around it as such. After you're done with this, take your blade and then begin to cut it out according to the line that you have traced out. Now, after you cut it out, this is what you should be left with. Once again, cut off the excess that is present, add some water into it and then add some plants into it. Next, start off by taking this container, take the stencil and then make these markings all around this box. Add a star-like shape in the middle and then add these ovular shapes around. Now take a blade and then cut it out according to these shapes that you have created. Do this all around. Now after this, take the base of it as well and then make polka dots out of it, add a plant into it. Thank you for watching.